This morning we are walking to Galata Tower. The cobblestone streets, the sidewalk cafe.
From
Vietnam.
yeah, okay. Hello, welcome to Turkey.
Merhaba.
Welcome to Hollywood.
Bence de 05'te çek ya. Bu niye bu kadar pis ya?
And all the fruit stands. Supermarket here. So I am having a pomegranate at this lovely shop over here. Oh wow, very good. Look at this, freshly squeezed right out of the pomegranate here. It's so good. After the pomegranate juice, my stomach was growling. So we decided to grab the famous fish sandwich in Turkey. So let's go. This gentleman is deboning the fish.